This is one of the first actual animals we've seen on trail. Very pretty butterfly right in the middle of the trail. We are headed back towards the hostel. We're walking alongside this beautiful stream all day. Look at that, super nice. We're headed back in towards the hostel, and then we're going to start climbing up Snowbird. So
heading to the first shelter.
Heading to the first shelter, Groundhog Creek. Yeah, I know, a little waterfall.
Dude, you see the leaves down there pushing it up?
Yep.
It makes it launch.
It's an Ed stop. We miss you, Ed.
We miss you, Ed. Bye, Ed.
We miss you, animal.
We'll see you up in Mass.
We'll see you up in Mass.
Thanks for keeping my hair safe.
With the rest of the mass holes. I think we're coming up on the road soon at the I-40 underpass.
I can see it.
Take a little video when we get down there. See you in a sec. That's pretty nice. Right along the trail. We just came down out of the woods. Now we gotta try to remember how to walk on roads again. There was a kick-over blaze. Those are fireworks.
Fireworks? Oh, jeez.
Somebody left fireworks. Big Creek Country Store, 2 miles. I don't think we're going that way. Get out of the road.
I'm trying to go on the AT.
Is that Maria? So I flipped the camera off because there was a car that was trying to talk to me. Apparently they're going up. They're trying to find the underpass because they're going to go do a little trail magic.
For us.
So I'm not sure what they'll have, but we're going to see them up there in a little bit.
We're going to take all their foods. No.
She said something about fruit, which fruit is always good because we can't really carry it with us.
Look at all these blazes.
Yeah.
Look at all these blazes.
And they're from Ohio, and they said they're doing the trail in sections, and they're just coming back to get a section that they missed. Pretty cool.
Gotta get me another picture.
Looks like we're on the AT. It says AT on the ground, and there's blazes right there. So we're still, doesn't look like we're hiking a trail, but I guess we're on the trail. Here comes another one. And over the river. So here you go. We're on the AT. That's nice. There go big trucks. It's like being in nature with the river, but not, because there's cars. Anyway, we're going under the underpass, and we'll check in a little up ahead. Alright, so we're coming up to the highway, and as you walk it says AT that way, so this is just freeway. I guess up here it's going to go back into the woods when we get on the other side.
Hiya, instant grammars.
But you can see it says 40 east,
so
towards Asheville.
Right now,
40 west,
the Appalachian
towards
Trail
Knoxville.
Right here.
But AT, we're still on the AT.
Well, I'm gonna hop up on the sidewalk.
Somebody put blazes on the signs.
Blazes right
So that's the blaze.
there. Pit boss is right there.
What's up, y'all?
Yeah, let's see if the blaze is.
AT. There's also a spray paint on this sign, on this pole.
There were tons of blazes back there. But, yeah, so that's pretty much the panoramic.
And we
I'm
got
gonna record us going under the bridge. The blazes are on that side and on that side. So either way you want to walk,
AT.
walk on either side.
Yep.
He's recording for YouTube.
Those are Nobo blazes, and on the other side there's some Sobo blazes, so no one gets lost. Whoa.
You roll your ankle.
I'm almost falling. I'm not even on dirt trail. Hear that truck go over?
Yeah.
We're not used to hearing trucks going over our heads. Kind of a weird sound to hear.
So soon we're going to enter the woods once again.
Truck's coming.
Great cars.
AT. And it looks like
that way.
just up ahead here it goes back into the woods. Talk to you guys soon. Hey everybody. Coming to you from inside the bunkhouse at the hostel. That's where Play-by-Play slept. This is where I slept. This is a very, very cool place. We are at Standing Bear Farm. There's the bunkhouse. Just wanted to give you a little overview of the place because it's really cool. Here's a table for the class of 2018. There's Play-by-Play. I didn't know he had signed it yet, but I'm over there. Pit Boss. They have a scale. I think I've lost about 7 pounds. They have dogs.
Morning.
Morning. So you come in right off the road there, cabin. Over there is an area where you can cook microwave pizzas and sit, and they have a hiker box. There's a fire ring. These are really cool. All the shoes with flowers in them. All the way across. Maria came to get us yesterday. She's awesome. She's actually, I'm going to give her a minute because she's about to back up right here. Nice. Okay. Stream going through the middle of the place. There's the dog drinking out of the stream on the other side.
There's a porta potty right there.
It's alright. Where it says staff only over there is where they lock up all the beer, but it's only $2 a beer. And then this is one of the coolest things about it, I think, in my opinion. Resupplies up here. It's all just on the honor system. You take an envelope from there and you write down.
Okay, our system is we come in, we grab an envelope, we write the price, and write the product, write the price, total it all out. Alright, everything here run on cash, credit, or debit. We just keep the envelope on if you need anything frozen. Like pizzas, we have 4 pizzas, cheese, 3 meats,
Actually, lots of
cream,
clothes.
Yep. Sandwich you need.
Toilet paper.
Frozen stuff. Ask me, I'm Hawk, by the way. I'll get it downstairs.
All kinds
Big
of food.
freezer downstairs. Okay. Can't see it up here. We have beer. We have margaritas. 4 tall boys. They're $3 for the tall boys. There's 4 flavors: lime, mango, strawberry, peach. There's PBR at $2. There's flat tire at $2.50, and Yingling at $2.50.
All right. Sorry, guys.
Sorry, sir. And that's my spill. Okay, and
So, just a really cool place. They definitely have all the stuff you need. We both got in here last night and just crushed each a large pizza to ourselves, and a cheeseburger, and I had a beer and a soda, and Play-by-Play had a couple sodas, and we had a Gatorade, and we just really feel good. Yesterday was tough. We were tired, and this was perfect. Like a perfect little retreat. There's Play-by-Play chatting with somebody over by the fire ring. So that's really great. We're just out here. We're meeting people. Yesterday we met people from New Zealand and Michigan, and you know, so all over the country, but also all over the world. Thor is here. We said what's up to Thor. That was cool. Here's the front of the place. So that's the other side of the bunk room where we slept last night. And yeah, the AT is basically just down this road, not very far at all. So anyways, today we're going up and over Snowbird Mountain. I think we have about a 10-mile planned, and we'll check in along the way. See you guys.